Good morning, children. Today we are going to read Science Chapter 4 Birds, Feathers, Beaks, Feet, Claws, and Flight. Children, as you all know, birds are unique. We see many different kinds of birds around us. Only birds have feathers. Feathers are of different shapes, sizes, and colors. Flight feathers include tail and wing feathers. They help birds to fly. And down feathers are soft and fluffy. They keep a bird's body warm. Children, now we will understand different kinds of beaks. Tearing beak. Eagles, vultures, and hawks have a sharp, strong, hooked beak for tearing flesh. Cracking beak. Sparrows and cardinals have short, hard, and cone shaped beak. Children, these birds crack seeds and nuts with them. Needle like beak. Hummingbirds have long, needle like beak to probe deep into flowers to get nectar. Chisel like beak. Woodpeckers have a strong and steady chisel like beak. Children, it helps them to drill holes in wood to catch insects. Broad and short beak. Swallows, swifts, and flycatchers have broad and short beak, which is sticky from inside. Children, it helps them to catch insects. Long, broad, pointed beak. Herons and egrets have long, broad, pointed beak. It helps them to catch fish and frogs. Beak for straining. Ducks have broad, flat beak with tiny comb-like structures. Children, it helps them to filter mud and water when they feed on small insects and plants. Pouch-like beak for scooping. Pelicans have pouch-like beak which is used as net for scooping up fish. And curved beak. Parrots and cockatoos have curved beak for cracking nuts and seeds. Children, it also helps them to climb up trees. Thank you.